Well, well, well. Here we are again. We are in Buckeye, Arizona. This is the abandoned farm and the little silo house, fill house. Check it out. So, this would be your fill house, silo. You drive through it. They dump you. Probably the old shed too. There's little cupboards there. Pretty cool place. And there used to be, let me go this way. And it's a little windy, I apologize. Used to be a stairwell that went up there, from what it looks like, that you could just take pictures of. Or you could climb up there. And that would be a good photo if I could get up there, but that's not going to happen. Pretty cool little place. Oh yeah. So you had an actual crane up there. Doors would open up. Pretty awesome. Let's go check out the rest. So this looks like a back shed area. Oh, this is actually probably a little house. Second house, little guest house. Got a bed in there. Somebody's been partying in here. You got your amazing, beautiful couch there. And the ceiling has come in. Come in. Crazy. That's the whole side of it. There's your breezeway in between the two houses. Pretty crazy. Let's check out the rest. And this looks like the main house. This whole outside being taken over by bushes, like always. You can hear the cows in the distance, little cow farm over there. Another ranch, dead bird. Pretty cool place. Just an old family farm, you know, used to be back in the day. Looks like there's another house right up here that's gated off and abandoned, but I'm not going to even try it because it's right in the road and there's a house next door, even though I want to really bad. Alright, let's check out the inside. Alright. Holy crap, that's a lot of bird poop and dead birds. And dead birds everywhere. So I'm gonna guess that was your bathroom. Yep, you had a little stall over there for a shower. Little mirror. That looks like two toilets. This might have been caretakers or ranch hands. I know. We're all going to at some point, buddy. All going to at some point. Holy crap, that's a lot of bird crap. Alright, let's check out the others. Alright, so we got the main. This might have been like a feed store or something. Looks like a I don't know. Maybe a slaughterhouse? Who knows? But it's an old farm. Yeah, you had old storage here. Got some eggs back there, some bird eggs. Pretty cool little place. Pretty cool farm. A lot of bird poop. Alright, let's check out the rest. I don't think there's much more to it. Oh, you got a little outside area over here. Looks like you had some chicken coops. This might have been a hay and tack feed store, I'm guessing. Another little storage room back there. There's that bathroom. There's the other part of the house. Well, there you go, guys. Not much to it. The Buckeye, Arizona abandoned farmhouse. Thanks for checking it out. If you guys are new, please subscribe to the channel. Give that like button a big old thumbs up. And I'm gonna guess at one point this place used to be a thriving farm, business, something. But now, just dust in the wind. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care.